Hello class and welcome to your daily dose of vocabulary. We are on Unit 4, Lesson 4. This is also exercise 8A. So you're going to need your vocabulary from Classic Roots workbook and you'll turn to 8A. It is on page 45. So it looks like that. And what you are dealing with today is you will define and use the Greek and Latin root words. And today you're dealing with just the Latin roots, dealing with the words primus, meaning first, and post, meaning after. And once you get to your online school, the very first page says, be the premier vocabulary student by mastering these 8 words related to the Latin roots for first and after. So we're going to go ahead. It asked you to listen to the pronunciation of the 8 key words. I want you to just listen to the words. If you want to go to your online school right now, you can pause this and go there. But you can go ahead and listen to these 8 words.
Premier.
I'm going to do that a little louder.
Premier. Primate. Prime. Primeval. Primordial. Posterior. Posterity. Posthumous.
Okay, do any of those words sound familiar? Yeah, a few of these words definitely sounded familiar to me and I used them. So make sure that when you do go in and listen to the pronunciation, you click on the word, then you say the word. And then maybe you say the word, see if you can pronounce it, and then click and see if you're pronouncing it correctly. Okay, so we've listened to the 8 words. Now you're going to study the words on page 43 through 45. And once you are done with that, you can go ahead and start today's lesson. And it deals with synonyms and antonyms. So the first 3 questions, you are asked to circle the letter of the best synonym. And then from 4 to 7, the last 3, you are looking for the antonym. So you're doing synonyms and antonyms today. And I'm going to use a couple of our words today in a sentence. And sometimes if you hear it used in a sentence, that helps you understand the meaning, right? Okay, here we go. First word I'm going to use is I'm going to let you listen to it.
Posterior. Posterior.
Posterior. Do you know what posterior is? Okay, listen to this sentence with posterior. I always place my groceries in the posterior of the car. Where do usually your groceries go? In the back, in the trunk. So this one is related to the back. So I always place my groceries in the posterior of the car. That would just mean that I'm placing them in the back, probably the trunk of the car. Okay, here's the next sentence. Let you listen to the word.
Premier. Premier.
Premier. The winner of American Idol is considered the premier singer in the group. So just from that sentence, you can probably tell what that means. Premier. That's probably the very top, the best. So the winner of American Idol is considered the premier singer in the group. And here's the last one. Listen to the word first.
Posterity. Posterity.
Posterity. And I wonder if my posterity will know what a CD is. I don't even know if they're going to know what a CD is. So I wonder if my posterity will know what a CD is. Posterity, those are possibly like my great-grandchildren or my grandchildren. You know, nowadays it seems like you don't even buy CDs very often. A lot of the times you just put stuff on your iPod. So that's what posterity. Okay, you guys are ready. You're going to go through and study the words and listen to the pronunciation. And then go ahead and do your exercise 8A, 1 through 6, dealing with synonyms and antonyms. And just a reminder, if you haven't told your learning coach thank you in a while, it would be much appreciated if you would maybe give them a high five or a hug and say thank you so much for all you do. Because it's a big job. School's a big job, and helping you with school is a big job. Okay, thank you so much. I hope you have a wonderful week.